Greetings to all and welcome to my channel. If you're looking for something quick and easy to make, this beautiful open work crochet pattern with fan-shaped clusters is a great choice. The open work construction creates a regular mesh of negative space, making this pattern especially suitable for lightweight garments, scarves, shawls, and layering pieces where a little transparency and drape are desired. If you are very particular about the number of chains in your foundation chain, the pattern is a multiple of 6 plus 4 additional chains. But don't worry if you end up with a few extra chains. I'll show you how to get rid of them after completing the first row. For this demonstration, I made a foundation chain of, honestly, I don't know how many chains. To begin row 1, yarn over twice, and insert your hook into the 7th chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. That's your first treble crochet. Work 4 more treble crochets in the same chain, giving you a group of 5 trebles. Skip the next 2 chains, then work 1 treble crochet in the 3rd chain. Skip the next 2 chains again and work 5 treble crochets in the 3rd chain. Continue across the foundation chain in the same way, alternating groups of 5 treble crochets with a single treble crochet, always skipping 2 chains between them. Finish row 1 with 1 treble crochet in the very last stitch. And if you happen to have a few extra chains left at the end, don't worry. Simply unravel the foundation chain back to the last stitch you made, and you're ready to continue with the pattern. Chain 4 and turn your work. In the very first stitch, work 2 treble crochets. Locate the 3rd treble in the group of 5 trebles from the previous row and work 1 treble crochet into that stitch. Work 5 treble crochets into the single treble from the row below. Continue across the row, alternating 1 treble crochet in the center of each group of 5 trebles, with 5 treble crochets into each single treble from the previous row. To finish row 2, work 3 treble crochets into the last chain of the foundation chain. This creates the staggered arrangement of the fan motifs. For a larger piece of fabric, simply repeat these 2 rows throughout the project. Let's work row 1 together one more time. Chain 4, work 5 treble crochets into the single treble from the previous row. Work 1 treble crochet into the middle stitch of the group of 5 trebles below. Continue across the row, alternating 5 treble crochets into each single treble, with 1 treble crochet into the center of each group of 5 trebles. To finish the row, work 1 treble crochet into the top of the chain 4 from the previous row. As you can see, this is a simple pattern that works up quickly. The tall treble crochet stitches allow you to reach your desired length in less time, while the geometric arrangement of the stitches creates a beautiful and interesting open work texture. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found the pattern easy to follow. Before you go, don't forget to check out my other crochet patterns for more ideas and inspiration. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!